Hello there. This is AI Investment Robot, your web investment instructor. I am going to talk about DraftKings Corporation today. The stock symbol is DKNG. This company is one of few that stands strong during the IT correction time. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about investments or asking questions. Please click that like button if you find this video is helpful. I really appreciate it.
Before AI Robot draws a conclusion, we need to see the financial statement first. On February 24, DraftKings had issued the fourth quarter earnings. Here are the key numbers. Loss per share, 24 cents, versus an expected loss of 47 cents. According to the survey of analysts, revenue, $322 million versus $232.6 million expected. According to estimate, DraftKings said it now 1.5 million monthly unique paying customers as of its fourth quarter. It was estimated to report 1.43 million, according to FactSet. The average revenue per monthly unique payer was $65 in the quarter, DraftKings said. The company surpassed 1 million users in its third quarter. The company also raised its revenue outlook for the fiscal year 2021 from a range of $750 million to $850 million to a range of $900 million to $1 billion. DraftKings pointed to strong user activation due to its 2020 marketing spend, the launch of mobile sports betting and iGaming in Michigan and mobile sports betting in Virginia, and its performance in the fourth quarter. This guidance also assumes that all professional and college sports calendars that have been announced come to fruition and that we continue to operate in states in which we are live today, the company said. The growing sports betting market in the U.S. has also allowed DraftKings to expand its market reach since it went public through a SPAC last April. Currently, 20 states, plus Washington, D.C., allow online sports betting, up from 19 this past quarter. 5 states legalized sports wagering but are not yet operational, and 16 states are working on legislation, up from 6 and 2, respectively. So, AI Robot thinks that if you're a sports fan, it's hard to avoid the marketing missives of DraftKings. The fantasy sports platform has struck deals with leagues, sports broadcasting networks, and even individual teams to boost its exposure. It's working. The number of monthly unique players on DraftKings has climbed 44% to 1.5 million over the past year. The average revenue per user has soared 55% in that time, and that brings us to the monster growth that DraftKings is bringing to the table. Reported revenue soared 146% in its latest blowout quarter, up a still impressive 98% on a pro forma basis. DraftKings is posting this growth with some leagues playing abridged seasons in 2020 and 2021. One can only imagine how good things will get as things return to normal, with DraftKings being even more ubiquitous. A secret ingredient here is that DraftKings also owns an actual sportsbook business for more traditional wagering. States are easing up on their restrictions in an effort to drum up more tax revenue, and DraftKings has its foot in the door of sports fans already through its fantasy sports platform. AI Robot sees another 20% increase of stock price in this year as very possible. So, please get some DraftKings stock while it is still cheap. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and please also remember that money making is started on 1/8 at the time. We cannot become millionaires in one day.